Okay, guys, I have finished the initial version of automated Kubernetes deployment based on Terraform and OpenStack, and I'd like to show you how it works. Okay, so currently I just wrote the scripts under the cluster Terraform like every else. So the tools here we use in this case is Terraform to provision the virtual machines, and OpenStack Swift for the object storage. Yeah, and okay, before we start, there are still some manual steps not yet automated, so I'd just like to show you what happened. So one is the test packages and the Docker images. So we can use the make quick release to build the Docker images of specific Kubernetes class version. And so here are the what I got. Oh, sorry. Okay, here's the Kubernetes version. I made some change and built the Docker images and tagged them and uploaded to our private repository. Okay, and another is the relevant binaries that I uploaded to Swift bucket. Okay, here. So it's just the minimal binaries and the config files that we need to use. Okay, and the Terraform is so the Terraform is just provision the virtual machines and distribute the initializing script to each machine, and then each machine it will just initialize it itself and join the cluster. And let me have a show the quick look of the scripts it looks like. Just because it's based on the pure ubuntu release, so there are some just install some common packages, and the main script here is download from the Swift bucket and use kubeadmin to initialize the master. And on the node, we just download the binaries and join to the master. Okay. To run against the Terraform, we need a Terraform config file. So you can actually just copy and rename from the test vars I gave here, and there's one. Okay. So the image is based on Ubuntu, and the kubeadmin token you can just call the script to generate one. The floating IP pool is the network name existing on OpenStack, and also the corresponding network ID. Okay, just some configs. All right. So to start, we need first get to use the get command just to connect to the OpenStack, and then run some status. Okay, and then we can run plan to have a preview like what will happen. So it will show all the things it will do. Okay, Terraform. Things we are first time to run, we just apply the OpenStack. Yeah, and it will take some time to spin up the virtual machines and distribute the scripts with. Yeah, actually, it's just distributed with the user data. Okay, so every machine when it starts up, it will just automatically run the script. Yeah, just with some time. I will cut here since it takes about maybe several minutes, and then I will back. It will be back. Okay. All right. The machine is already provisioned, but it will still take some time to finish the initializing script. So here we can just use a command to keep watching that. Yeah. I use Ansible here just to you avoid manually typing in the master IP. Actually, the scripts has nothing to do with Ansible. All right. So all the master components are ready now, and let's change it to another command just to make sure all the nodes are joining. Okay, so all the nodes are now ready. So let's just have some test. Oops, seems the connection, we lost the connection. Okay, sorry. Yeah. Let's just deploy some application from the example. Let me find one. Yeah, maybe we can just create pod for the very easiest example here. Okay. Oh, sorry, I forgot to copy the copy the config file back to this machine. Okay, so I need to specify the config file and then retry to create the pod. Yeah. This environment seems slow, maybe due to some network issue. And previously, before I recording this demo, it took about 1.5 hours to run all the conformance tests. And besides the speed, I think other things are okay. So that's it.